In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Clip Studio Paint app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app with a colorful triangle icon, usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. The Google Play Store is essential because it is the official marketplace for Android apps. This means you can trust that the apps available here are safe to download. Once you find the Play Store, go ahead and tap on it. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tapping on this bar allows you to enter the name of the app you are looking for. It is an important step because it directs you to the app you want, saving you time. Make sure you tap the search bar carefully to avoid any accidental clicks on suggestions. Now type Clip Studio Paint into the search bar. Take your time to spell it correctly, as an incorrect spelling could lead you to different apps. This app is specifically designed for artists and creators, so getting the right one is key. After typing, you will see several suggestions appear below the search bar. Next, select Clip Studio Paint by CLCS Inc. from the list of search results. You will recognize it by its distinctive logo and the name of the developer. This step is crucial because it ensures that you are downloading the official version of the app. Choosing the right app guarantees that you receive the features and support intended by the developers. After selecting the app, tap Install. This button will begin the downloading process. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This is a good moment to note that the installation size may vary based on your device. Just be patient as your device works to install the app. While you wait for the app to download and install, it's helpful to know that larger apps might take a bit longer depending on your internet speed. If everything goes smoothly, you will soon see a notification that the installation is complete. This is a positive sign that you are one step closer to accessing Clip Studio Paint. Once the installation has finished, tap Open. This action will launch the Clip Studio Paint app for the first time. When it opens, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. This is a reassuring moment because it confirms that everything has been installed correctly and is working as expected. Now sign in with your Clip Studio account or create one if you do not have an account yet. Tap on the appropriate option to either log in or to register. This is an important step because having an account allows you to save your work and access all features. Creating an account is typically straightforward. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Finally, start your free trial or subscribe to a plan to unlock all features. This choice is significant because it allows you to explore the full capabilities of Clip Studio Paint. Whether you choose the trial or a subscription, you will gain access to powerful tools for your artistic projects. Remember, starting the trial is a risk-free way to see if the app meets your needs before committing. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Clip Studio Paint on your Android device. Enjoy creating and exploring all the possibilities this app offers. Happy drawing!